Hello loves, welcome to my channel. I am recording this and it is super late. It's 1:20 in the morning, but I had to I wanted to create something for my fiance for his birthday. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I create a beer can cake. So this is super easy and super fun to do, a cute little DIY that you can do for like your fiance, husband, dad, brother. And it doesn't have to be with beer. It can be with any type of cans. So I'll be showing you guys how I do it, and these are some of the things that I am using to decorate it with: some ribbon, the letter of his name, some sticks, candles, glue, things like that. So to get started with this, you're going to need 3 round pieces of cardboard. So the first one needs to be 12, the second one needs to be 10 inches, and then the third one needs to be 8. And I covered them with some felt fabric. It was like 88 cents at Walmart. It was super affordable. So I'm going to start with the first tier, well, the bottom tier, and I'm going to go ahead and open that 24 pack, and you're going to start with 14 cans on the bottom. So you're probably going to have to get creative. I know I did. I could not find a 12-inch cardboard, so I actually had to cut a pizza box up. So you definitely have to get creative, and I doubled it. So like I said, the bottom tier is going to be 14 cans, and so I'm placing them down right now. And then I'm kind of shaping them because you want it to be round, like in the shape of a cake. Okay, and so now I'm going to take some white ribbon and kind of tie it just to keep my cans in place. And I'm putting like a cute little bow, like little thing in the front of it. I think that's like a cute little touch, so it's not just, just sitting there. But that's the first tier. Now your middle tier is actually going to have 9 cans of beer on it, and so you just form it into a nice circle. Okay, so like before the bottom tier, I'm just tying it, and I'm going to take some scissors and just cut off the little excess. I don't want my bow to be too long. And now we're going to start on the top tier. So the top tier is with the 8-inch circle cardboard. And so on the top tier, you're going to put 7 cans of beer. Okay, so I'm just putting my 7 cans of beer up there, and I'm kind of forming them into a circle, just like I did the bottom and the middle tier. When you have them like in a perfect circle, it just kind of looks better. It makes it look more clean and things like that. So I'm taking the ribbon and tying it around just like I did the other 2. So I made this tee the night before with some glue and some glitter on a wood letter, and I just glued some sticks together to hold it up. And T is my fiance's, his name starts with a T. That's why I chose a T. And I'm just sprinkling some glitter on the bottom of the felt paper. It just gives it a pop. So I just love how the tea looks and the sparkly and things like that. So I got some scissors and made some curly ribbon. And now I'm taking some candles and I'm going to put them on some sticks to put beside the tea because he's turning 27. So the candle doesn't come with a hole in the bottom. So I'm going to create a hole to put the stick inside of the candle. Okay, so right now I'm just measuring it to make sure it's the appropriate height, and I'm just breaking the stick. My face, oh my god. So then I'm taking some scissors and moving it in like a circular motion to make like a hole or like a little cave inside of the candle, and I'm going to stick my stick inside of that hole. And because candles are made of wax, it's going to like securely hold in there, and then I'm just going to stick it into the top of the cake. So, at this point, you really can just wing it how you like it, depending on what type of decorations you have. I've seen like the happy birthday sign. I've seen alcohol bottles. I've seen money. I've seen just all types of stuff for decoration. So it's really up to you. So I'm just putting the curly ribbon all over. And in high school and in college, my fiance played football, and he played defense. So I thought it was really cute to put a defense football ribbon around the bottom tier. Football is very big in my household, so I just thought that would be really cute. I'm taking some glue and actually gluing that to the can because I had trouble with that ribbon. So I'm just taking that and gluing that all the way around. And then after I finish, I'm actually going to cut the white ribbon that I first used off because I didn't need it anymore. So yeah, like I said, this is totally customizable. Like, you don't have to do it this way. You can just do it any type of way or any type of decorations. Okay, so last, I'm actually taking some more of that ribbon and just sticking them in between the cans. But you want to be really careful because you don't want to move the cans or shift them too much, because if you do, then it looks like, you know, it just looks a little funny. And that's actually what happened in my case. But it's not horrible, but it just looks a little funny. Okay guys, so I'm just making some last minute finishing touches to it. I actually had some like little black little jewels, so I'm putting those on the white ribbon just to add a little bit of detail to it. And this is it. That's the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. It's super easy, and it's like a great gift for men or anyone actually, because you don't have to use beer. But my fiance loved it. He loves beer. He loves blue. He loves football. So it's cute alternative to like a cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.